Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about flow function in the math object. So what it does, it returns the largest integer less than or equal to the given number. So mm, like if I give um math oh shit, math dot flow, and if if I give like 5.95, what it does, it will change into 5. See, so this is all it does, is give you the rounded number of that. So this is this is the function of math flow. And if it's not a number, like if it's not a number like a string, it will give you a not a number. So this is what it does. And the other thing which you need to know is, if you give minus, it will work fine. It will, like, in the plus time, it will give you the nearest number in 7. If it's 7.78, it would be 7. But when you give to its minus, it will give you -8. So this is what you need to remember. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.